Audiobook channel, Best Books Club. Presents a detailed summary of the heartwarming and captivating novel, Heartstopper, written by Oseman. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey through the pages of this remarkable book. Heartstopper follows the lives of two main characters, Charlie and Nick, as they navigate the complexities of friendship, love, and self-discovery. Set in a British high school, this story beautifully captures the ups and downs of teenage life, while addressing important themes of identity and acceptance. The story begins when Charlie, an openly gay student, befriends Nick, a popular jock who is still figuring out his own sexuality. As Charlie and Nick spend more time together, their friendship blossoms, leading to deeper connections and unexpected feelings. Charlie, who has always known he was gay, finds himself falling for Nick, despite the uncertainty of their evolving friendship. As their bond grows stronger, Charlie must confront his fears and find the courage to express his true feelings. Meanwhile, Nick grapples with his own internal struggles, questioning his sexuality and trying to come to terms with his evolving emotions. As he navigates his changing friendship with Charlie, Nick embarks on a journey of self-discovery, learning to embrace his true self and the complexities of his own heart. Heartstopper beautifully portrays the challenges and triumphs of young love, as Charlie and Nick's relationship evolves from friendship to something more. Their story highlights the importance of understanding, acceptance, and the power of love to transcend societal expectations. Throughout the novel, Oseman's writing captivates readers with her authentic and relatable characters. She explores the struggles of adolescence with sensitivity and compassion, delving into the complexities of identity and the importance of self-acceptance. Heartstopper not only tackles themes of sexuality but also touches upon mental health, bullying, and the power of supportive friendships. Oseman's storytelling effortlessly weaves together these elements, creating a narrative that is both heartwarming and thought-provoking. As we come to the end of summary, we hope this glimpse into the world of Heartstopper has left you eager to discover the full story. Oseman's novel is a testament to the power of love and self-discovery, reminding us that sometimes the greatest journeys are the ones that happen within ourselves. Thank you for joining. If you enjoyed this summary, be sure to check out Heartstopper by Oseman, available now in bookstores and online. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, Best Books Club, for more audiobook summaries and literary adventures. Until next time, happy reading!